Let us see filtration by suction in today's practical class. The apparatus shown by me is said to be suction pump. So usually in laboratories this will be used. In industrial application suction motors will be there. So here by using this simply a student can perform this experiment. Usually this type of filtration is used in gravimetry and for filter vegetable matter. This glass suction will possess two tubes, one straight tube and another side tube. The side tube is to be connected to the Buchner flask shown by me. Like this we have to fit the suction to the Buchner flask. After fitting the side tube to the Buchner flask and then the another tube, another opening, that is inlet of suction, so that is to be connected to the water tap. Okay. After fitting this, once we have to check by passing water through this setup. So by providing running water to the suction, so let us see. So after providing water, then we can see the process like this. So we have to check the flow of water in proper way. So this flow of water through the suction pump will create some extent of pressure in a Buchner flask. So like this the water flow will be. So due to this flow of water, some pressure will be exerted in the Buchner flask. After checking the exertion of pressure due to suction into the Buchner flask, so then we can proceed for the experiment. By doing this also, simply we can check that there is exertion of pressure is or not. So after checking, after ensuring there is a pressure that were created by the suction pump, then we have to fit the Buchner funnel, which is having a porcelain filter in this. That white color filter is porcelain filter. So that filter will have small pores which can pass the minute particles only through itself. So like this the filter would be. Let us see the filter once. This is the side view of the filter. So after taking the matter which is subjected to filtration into the Buchner funnel, carefully the Buchner funnel is to be kept is to be attached to the Buchner flask. After ensuring the perfect attachment, and then we have to increase the flow of water through the suction. Okay, so due to the flow of water through the suction and the pressure created by the suction will cause the filtration. So being the porcelain plate will have very narrow pores, the process might be very slow and it has to be properly happen. So now the process is like this. So by increasing the flow of water, we can increase the rate of filtration a little bit. Okay, so then this method is suitable and applicable for the laboratory purpose for filtration of the precipitates in gravimetric analysis and vegetable matter. Here the filtrate will be collected into the flask, Buchner flask, and the residue will be at the top of the porcelain filter. So the residue will be collected. In sometimes in case of vegetable extractions, the filtrate is to be collected and subjected to further purification process. So this is the process of filtration using suction. So let us see, let us compare the level of liquid before and after filtration. We can assure that the process is happening. Okay, so this is the process. Filtration by suction. Thank you.